In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 best AI crypto trading bots that will blow your mind and boost your profits. AI crypto trading bots are software programs that use artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms to buy and sell cryptocurrencies automatically. They are like your personal assistants that work 24/7, analyze the market, and execute trades faster and more efficiently than you. They can also help you reduce your risk, diversify your portfolio, and save your time and energy. But not all AI crypto trading bots are the same. Some are more trustworthy, user-friendly, and profitable than others. That's why I have done the hard work for you and selected the 5 best AI crypto trading bots that you can use right now. These are OKX, Coinrule, Bybit, Binance, Bitsgap. OKX is a leading crypto exchange that offers a bot marketplace where you can choose from hundreds of pre-built bots or create your own. You can also copy the strategies of other successful traders and follow their performance. OKX supports over 800 crypto assets, including futures and options, and has low fees and high liquidity. OKX is the ultimate bot supermarket. Coinrule is a mobile-friendly trading platform that allows you to create your own trading rules without coding. You can use simple logic to design your own strategies, or choose from over 150 ready-made templates. Coinrule supports over 80 crypto assets and integrates with popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Coinrule is the best bot for your pocket. Bybit is a crypto derivatives platform that offers a user-friendly and intuitive trading bot. You can easily set up your bot with a few clicks, choose from various indicators and signals, and customize your risk and reward settings. Bybit supports over 800 crypto assets, including perpetual and inverse contracts, and has a low minimum deposit and high leverage. Bybit is the easiest bot to use. Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange that offers a variety of trading bots for different purposes. You can use the Binance Futures bot to trade futures and options, the Binance Spot bot to trade spot markets, or the Binance Margin bot to trade with leverage. Binance supports over 100 crypto assets and has low fees and high security. Binance is the most versatile bot for your needs. Bitsgap is a trading platform that enables you to exploit arbitrage opportunities across multiple crypto exchanges. You can use the Bitsgap bot to automatically scan and execute arbitrage trades, taking advantage of price differences and earning risk-free profits. Bitsgap supports over 1,000 crypto assets and integrates with over 25 exchanges, including Bitfinex, Bitstamp, and Polynex. Bitsgap is the smartest bot for arbitrage. These are the 5 best AI crypto trading bots that you can use at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crypto trading videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which AI crypto trading bot you are using or planning to use. Thanks for watching and happy trading.